This is Similarities and Transformations, talking about point and rotational symmetry. First off, what is the difference? In rotational symmetry, you can rotate anywhere less than 360 degrees and end up with the same image. So 360 degrees or less, same image. That's called rotational symmetry. Now, point symmetry is where a figure can rotate exactly 180 degrees, and one point will look exactly like the other point at 180 degrees. That's called point symmetry. So in this first figure here, we want to see first off if we have rotational symmetry, which means can you rotate this to any degree and still end up with the same image. And we can see if all we do is simply take this point and rotate it to that point, that you're going to have the exact same image. So the answer is yes, it has rotational symmetry. The next question is at what angle? And since we can see that these are evenly spaced, all we have to do is count the number of spaces, because rotation implies 360 degrees. So we have 360 degrees, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces. So it's 360 divided by 8, which is 45 degrees. And so the angle here is going to be 45 degrees. So rotational symmetry, yes, angle's 45. Question is, does it have point symmetry? Well, if you take a straight line straight across, you can see that this point can be rotated exactly to that point, and it is the same point. So the answer for point symmetry will be yes. In this, will it have rotational symmetry? We can see that we can take this point and rotate it to this point, and we will end up with the same image because all sides appear to be equal. So does it have rotational? Yes. And what is the angle? Again, all the way around is 360 degrees. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of reference, so we're dividing by 5. 360 divided by 5, that's going to be 9. And 72 degrees, because 5, this is 72 degrees. So the answer is 72 degrees. Point symmetry is, ask yourself, is there a straight 180 that you can move one point to the other? And the answer is no. So on the left, yes, 45 degrees, point symmetry, yes. On the right, rotational, yes, angle 72, point symmetry, no.